Stop paying for 7 different marketing tools. I just replaced my entire stack with one. Most businesses burn $500+ monthly on Canva, Hootsuite, Jasper, or whatever else. That's not efficiency. That's hemorrhaging cash. Here's what actually works. GravityWrite. One tool, everything included. First, the visuals. Forget hiring designers or wrestling with Photoshop. Type what you want, pick a template, done. Product shots, social posts, ad creatives, all generated in seconds. Need an edit? Just tell it what to change. No back and forth emails, no delays, just results. Then the scheduling. Paid in social posting, Instagram, LinkedIn, Facebook, all automated. One click, post it everywhere. Now here's where it gets wild. Take that image you just made, turn it into a video instantly. Or better, upload your product, get UGC ads.
Lately my hair's been super weak, so I tried Tanvi Essentials Keshabala oil.
360-degree spins, virtual try-ons. VFX level content from a JPEG. Your competitors paying influencers $2,000 per video, and you're making them in minutes. Website needed, 30 seconds. Type your business description, full site generated, images included. Long form blogs, 1,500+ words. Research links embedded. Unique images auto-generated. The best part? One click and it's live on WordPress. Built-in AI humanizer, so Google can't tell. If you watch YouTube videos, then GravityWrite's mobile app is for you. Just click share from YouTube and select GravityWrite. And you can watch the whole video just by reading this short summary. You can also generate images from the mobile app and then schedule them on social media. Got long meetings or recordings? Save it as a file, just drop it here and get a quick summary. Choose the format, team meeting, project summary, or sales report, and it formats exactly your way. The part that made me switch, it learns your brand voice, detects your colors, every output stays on brand. Here's the math. Your current stack is $500 per month minimum. This one tool, one login, fraction of the cost. Right now there's a limited deal, and when it's gone, you're back to your expensive stack. So come in Gravity or check out the link below. Stop collecting subscriptions and start shipping content.